Hey, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to increase the text input size whenever user types some information in that. Dynamically, we will change the height of our text input here. Okay, so let's I go and showcase you the demo how it's work. Okay, so if you see, we will create this type of component. Okay, so if I type here, okay, so height of this text input is increasing, you can be see friends. Okay, so similar here as well. Okay, if you see here, okay, the height of the text input box is increasing dynamically. Okay, so we are trying to create this, so let's start. So I will add one new screen. In the new screen I will add one text input. I will showcase you for the both the text input, okay, new as well as the modern controls, so both the inputs you can be view. So now let's insert the modern control. So we are added both the text inputs here. Okay, now let's try and play how it's work. Okay, so if I go and add some value, okay, so the size of this is not increasing. Okay, it is increasing in vertical, sorry, in horizontal direction. It is the same with this one as well. Okay, so if you see, it is not, height is not increasing, the text input is present in that it's increasing. Okay, so let's I go and remove this text. So to do this we have the two options. Okay, so for auto height property, okay, so as our text size is increasing, we need to check for the height. So for that purpose we have the text inputs. Okay, label controls. So I will add the both the labels controls here. Okay, so this is the old one and this is the new one. Okay, so we have the auto height property for the text input, so we will just turn on this. Okay, and for similar this as well we will turn on. So both the things are the similar. Okay, I will just showcase you for one of them. Okay, now onwards, zoom it little bit. So we need the reference of this text input. Okay, so we will make the default value here, it is blank. Okay, in the, this is text input 5, so let's copy this, going to the text. Okay, control V, and here we will use text. And now we will copy the name of the label, go to the text input, now going to the height property. Okay, and we'll use here max, then label 3 dot height comma 40 is our height of our text input. Okay, also we will make the text input y property similar to the this one as well. Okay, so x and y property should match with the text input. So text input 5 dot 5, then we have the x similar text input dot 5 dot x will match all the properties, so it will work same. Okay, for the height as well, sorry, for the width as well, text input 5 dot width. Then we have the font size, it should be same as the size of our text input. Okay, so label should be at the end. Okay, so we will align this at the reorder to the send it back. Okay, and we will make our text input color to the white. Okay, so from the properties, okay, we'll go and now let's change the color, and I'm making this color to the white, so background color should not be visible. Okay, so let's we try. I'm typing here u. Okay, so height of this is not increasing, only height is increasing, but text it is in single line. Okay, so we need to go to the text input one more time, and here we have the one property mode. It is single line of text, convert it to the multi-line, so it is working fine. Okay, you can be see. So we will use this, okay, into an component. So let's say go and use control C, going to the component. You can be create new component. Okay, and you use in your all the apps. Okay, component auto height, and we will paste this here, and we will make the x and y 0 0 for both of them. X is 0, y is also 0, and width should be parent dot width, and component height according to our needs we can keep the height. Okay, so if I go and try to use this, okay, in our screen, okay, component auto height, so it is added here. Okay, so let's try and play this. Okay, so let's adding some value here. Okay, you can be see, so height of this text input is increasing automatically. Okay, so this component is available for the download purpose as well. Okay, on the savinch.com. Okay, so from here I will write a blog. Okay, from here you can be simply download this. Okay, and you can be use this for the future purpose. That's all, friends. If you have any question, any doubt, you can be asked me in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to you. If you have any questions, you can be asked, put in the comment box. Thank you, friends.